Sometimes these completing square problems get a little more complicated with fractions, but if you use the same process, we ought to be able to finish the job. So let's rewrite this as x squared minus x plus something. We've got to complete the square equals 1. To complete the square, remember, we're going to take half that middle term. So negative 1 divided by 2 squared is positive 1/4. So we're going to add 1/4 here. Got to add 1/4 to both sides, plus 1/4. We now, again, set this up as a perfect square, so that ought to be a perfect square. If that 1/4 is some term squared, we can write x minus 1/2, which would be the square root of 1/4, quantity squared. 1 plus 1/4 is going to be 5/4. We're now at a point where we can take the square root of both sides, and again, make sure that when you take the square root of both sides that we include plus or minus. So x minus 1/2 equals plus or minus the square root of 5 over the square root of 4 is 2. Go ahead, let's add plus 1/2 plus 1/2 to both sides, and we end up with x equals 1/2 plus or minus root 5 all over 2. Now that might also equal, since we have a common denominator, you could write that as x equals 1 plus or minus root 5 all over the common denominator of 2. Once again, you have two answers, 1 plus root 5 over 2 and 1 minus root 5 over 2.